Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we're taking a look in the charts, starting with the SPX. Well, very bullish, broke this trend line, probably going to the upper trend line, the all-time high. The upper resistance. Did a bullish retest over here. Also did a retest of this previous high over there. Very bullish. So yeah, all-time highs soon for S&P, if you ask me. Bitcoin 5-minute chart. We saw the weekend dump over here, or at least I believe it was the weekend. I'm always sitting at home trading, so sometimes I lose a bit track of time. Anyway, we had a smaller version of this mu pattern over here as well, and yeah, made a higher low, and yeah, I think we had a bullish retest over here of this line. That was this high, very important line, and yeah, it looks like we are gonna attack 12k soon. I am very bullish, I am very long, and I think next up is 12k and possibly higher. So let's zoom out a little bit, remove everything. The next resistances would be this one, I think. And especially you can see over here on these tops, the level we are right now is a very important level. And I think this will be the targets. First, around 14k. And yeah, if we go to the weekly level, for example, oh, that's the monthly. The weekly, if we close it over here, we are very good. You see these weekly closes, we're a bit above them right now, so a weekly close in 12k would be perfect for BTC. And if you ask me, the move pattern from this weekend already confirmed to me we are in a bull market. So I have no doubts. We will go high and fast. Bull markets usually go quite fast. Sometimes they can go slow. I mean, this was still fast, but it was almost a year, and this one was just 3 months. So yeah, I expect big upside. Of course, it does depend on what the dollar is doing and what gold is doing and what the S&P is doing. But I am expecting upside, hard upside. Taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum looks a bit like it is slowing down a little bit. What do we see over here? Do we see something like this forming? Maybe. Yeah, could be. Could be if you ask me. Something like this maybe. Of course, 360 is still a very big support, and upside resistance would be $500 for me. But 360 is a solid support in my book. Of course, if you zoom out to the daily, we see Ethereum broke this trend line, very big trend line. They hovered a bit, went a bit sideways, and then they started moving. Ethereum, a bit of a weak day, as you can see over here. Might go back for a retest. Let's zoom out a bit where that would be. I mean, they could make a bullish retest till over here. Cracking this resistance would be bad, but for now, this is short-term support. If they crack below it, I'm not saying they will. I'm still very bullish in Ethereum. Yeah, this would be if you're short. I wouldn't short Ethereum now, but if you're short, this would be a good support. Too long. And let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, this is the big line they broke, which is kind of a start for the bull market for Ethereum. And I expect them at least to go somewhere over here. If you want to trade like I do with a little bit of leverage, use one of my ref links. They also give you additional discounts. So if you are already on one of these exchanges, make a new account, use one of these links, you'll get some extra discounts. So yeah, I'm quite bullish on everything. S&P, BTC, Ethereum, USD, also Ethereum BTC. And what makes me so bullish is that people don't seem to be long. Fundings are quite flat, so the majority is not long, it seems. So there is still a lot of liquidity to the upside. People to short squeeze, kind of. If you don't know what a short squeeze is, please Google it. It has to do with liquidity. We want people to buy higher. I mean, this would be the bearish case for BTC right now. And yeah, that looks like a rising wedge is bearish. I'm still bullish, but cannot deny this rising wedge actually. Yeah, I just see it now. Let's zoom out if we can see it over here as well. Maybe look at it a bit different. And yeah, I see him here as well. So a breakdown of this one would be bearish for Bitcoin. Sorry guys, sometimes I see something during live charting. I'm still very bullish, but this is a bearish pattern. So guys, if you want to trade with some leverage, please take a look at these ref links. They're also in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.